Mill Creek, most obvious that you see is Ferry Point Marina. Before it was that Ferry Point Marina, it was actually a ferry that went from South Ferry Point to North Ferry Point across the Magothy River. And before it was the Ferry Point Marina and the Point Restaurant, it was Ferry Point Farm, which was a rather large farm in the area. And then in the 20s and 30s, Ferry Point Marina began to operate, and it continues to operate today. And now it has the famous Point Restaurant, which offers exceptionally good food and a good place to drink and meet with friends. You will begin to notice more of the quaint homes. What makes Mill Creek a little different is it's a little more steeper. The slopes, the homes have a gentle 20-foot drop, most of them. It's rather straight creek. It does have a little bend and twist here and there. It has a number of what I call perched homes. There are a number of tiny little coves. As you get closer to the south, you'll begin to see another set of very interesting wetlands. Always when navigating these streams, navigate towards the center of the water unless you see markers telling you otherwise. The homes in some of the areas on Mill Creek are a little bit further apart, giving you a much more picturesque view. And as towards the end of the creek, as you move towards the community college, the creek drops off substantially in terms of water depth. And right about this particular point that you need to think about turning around, it's extremely shallow here. These wetlands are extensive. Mill Creek is one of the larger creeks. It extends non-tidal ways up underneath College Parkway and almost beyond into the Broadneck Peninsula.